That is so beautiful, sir. So you spoke about business acumen. Now, every 20-year-old person is always thinking, how do I become an entrepreneur? Which essentially means cultivating that business acumen. When we were in college, the idea was pretty simple. Jo bhi dikhta hai, karo.
हाँ,
You get to make a website, do it.
right.
You get to organize a TEDx event in college, do it. You get to sell tickets, do it. In fact, I've done both TEDx and ticket sales both. So when you do cold calling, you understand a lot of things.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
So that's when you understand that cold calling should not be cold, it has to be made warm.
Yeah.
So you find a way to make it warm. For example, in our college, when we had to call students to
कौन
participate
सी
in an
college
event,
का?
it's called Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, sir.
Yeah, I know.
So nobody knew that college in Pune because it wasn't very popular, but we still had to.
अरे नाम ही ऐसा तो पॉपुलर कैसे होगी?
Correct.
पिंपरी चिंचवाड़. भाई.
So we wanted to get in students to participate in our events. हमारा प्राइस मनी था 2-3 हज़ार रुपए, whereas बाकी कॉलेज में 50,000, 10,000 तो मिनिमम था उनका, हमारा 3,000, 5,000 था. So we wanted to find a way to get students in.
Yeah, that's tough.
But why would a student participate over here? So we decided on a strategy called acquaintance calling. तो मैंने क्या किया, सारे दोस्तों को जाके बांटा एक शीट, बोला कि तुम्हारे 3-4 दोस्त होंगे बाकी सारे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में. हमारे पास 12 इवेंट्स है. अगर फोन करके सारे 12 इवेंट्स करने बताऊंगा, सारे 12 कॉम्पिटिशंस करने बताऊंगा तो कोई सुनेगा नहीं. So let's do one thing. If you think one of your friends studying at a computer science college, if one of your friends studying in PICT is studying computer science and maybe a good coder, recommend him over here so that we can call him and tell him that, you know what, Anupam has recommended you to participate in this competition because he thinks you can win 3,000 rupees.
That's a great way. Wow.
So because of that, we were able to increase
Very
conversion.
good, very nice. So that gives you understanding.
Yeah. So sir, if you were to give out 2 to 3 methods of cultivating business acumen, what would those methods be?
यार देखो मेथड तो ऐसा है ना, there are no templates in life,
Hmm.
right? Ultimately, everything is about doing. तो आपको करना चाहिए. Just like you understood a few things by trying to, what were you doing? You were selling.
Yeah.
है ना? तो start selling early on in life. कुछ भी बेचो. I started my first business when I was 13 years old.
13 years old. What did you sell?
I was trying to sell I was renting out books.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो अभी रेंटिंग आउट बुक्स के लिए बुक लाइब्रेरी समझ लो ना, आजकल तो नहीं है, उस जमाने में बुक लाइब्रेरीज हुआ करती थी. तो घर से बुक लाइब्रेरी बनाना था. तो बुक लाइब्रेरी के लिए क्या चाहिए बताओ?
बुक चाहिए और लोग बुक पढ़ना चाहते हैं
ना. बुक्स तो बुक्स ही नहीं थी पहले तो फर्स्ट आई हैड टू गो फाइंड बुक्स.
Okay.
तो आई हैड टू टेल पीपल भाई तेरी बुक्स तो वो सेल साइकिल हो गई. देन वंस यू हैव बुक्स व्हाट डू यू नीड? You need people who are book readers to come and rent from you.
Yeah.
Then you have to go and try to sell to them. So that failed for many reasons. And then I tried to build a sports club when I was 16. That did okay, but then it failed. Then I did made-ups. So I did 5-6 businesses. But all of them involved some level of type of selling to somebody. Selling doesn't mean just selling the product. It could mean selling yourself for employment. Asking some factory owner to take up your production. That is also a type of sales. Right? And it involved actual execution.
Yeah.
And doing things, right? तो ये दो अगर आप करोगे very early on and keep doing it, you will understand. Business acumen develop होगा.
Yeah.
Right? But still, it may not develop at a macro level. It will develop more at a negotiation and influencing capability level. Macro level पर अगर आपको business acumen or develop करना है, I think working as maybe in finance early on or working as an investment banker early on, I think these things are all very positive.
Why, sir?
क्योंकि एक बहुत macro perspective मिलता है आपको.
Okay.
Right? You get away, like if you're in finance, you get away from the whole execution part of it, because it's very easy to tell yourself, अच्छा इसको थोड़ा और better execute करेंगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. लेकिन ऐसा generally होता नहीं है. Every industry, every market, every business comes with its own characteristics of gross margins and how the money flows.
Correct.
आप चाह कर भी उसको, yes, of course you can reinvent it, and entire industries have been disrupted. I'm not saying disruption is not possible. What I'm saying is profit pools behave in a certain way, right? And when you are in the middle of execution, you feel if you just did things a little differently, executed a little harder, you could change that. But वैसा होता नहीं. You have to fundamentally think differently. And when you are focused on financials, तो वो समझ में आता है कि बस gross margin इसका इतना है, ये करने से इतना shift हुआ. So you start to understand the levers of what drives gross margins, economics, and top line
Got it.
and bottom line. So I think that's why investment banking, because you're not involved in any industry in a way that you are continually banging your head against the wall. You're just taking a macro, very top level, top down view of the industry, and that is quite how should I say, that's quite liberating in many ways, because ultimately as human beings, look, we believe whatever we want to believe, and then later we tell ourselves stories to justify that belief.
Yeah.
So I've seen enough founders wo chota sa market pakadte hain that has no room to ever become big, and then they justify how it will become the next big thing. But that's a story they're telling themselves and you. If you are an investment banker early on, that macro perspective of looking at industries and figuring out how that moves over time is very helpful later on, but not too long. Once you stay an investment banker too long, it's very hard to actually build something.
Hi guys, if you loved watching this clip and if you want to do a deep dive into the podcast, we've mentioned the link in the description. So click that link, watch that podcast and take notes. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more clips.